Hello, in front of me I've got OMODA 9. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage climate control menu. In the beginning, take a look in the center of the car. Right here, we've got the climate control panel. For example, twist this knob and on the screen display you'll be able to see all climate control menu where you can synchronize airflow, enable steering wheel heating, AC, change airflow direction, enable auto airflow, change airflow power, enable rear windshield heating, front windshield blowing, front windshield defroster, then interior airflow circulation and air purification function. Next you can check air condition, seats like seat heating, seat ventilation, seat massager and settings where you can enable automatic cabin ventilation, automatic cabin air cleaning, change customize air conditioning mode, automatic defogging and automatic air purification. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.